Again, today is about 30, no? October 30. So again, I'm go here in the Arwin Ergometer showroom, yeah. Again, pinubri pa, pero very near, no? Again, nagatang inquiries, no? Sa ato ang lahat ng inquiries, ang lahat lagi na to, mauna sa atong puhunan sa Arwin Ergometer. And we done the feasibility study and no? So again, Arwin Ergometer, no? From the Harvard University is based on stress fascia there, no? Again, once the eyes can see and ear can hear, perfect for the brainstem. Ayo ka, no? Again, karon para siya sa tarpaulin, no? Again, para na ni tarpaulin, in which nga ako nang ihatag ninyo, no? Nga masabtan na gid siguro ninyo, no? So here, no? Again, this is the logo of the Arwin Ergometer, no? This is the red. This is apple. The R3, that's Arwin, yeah? There, no? Again, eagle is the veins, no? Nga without oxygen. This one, nga kuy ko ano sa heart mo, this is gold capillaries, no? Muna, Arwin, sumpay sa Arwin Ergometer, 12 boys, 12 is December 12, 2012. Tambal nga dili tumaron. Again, di man kompetensya sa inyong sports. Tambal gini siya dili tumaron lang, no? Again, twice a week. You can do that twice a week. Then 1 hour continuous without stopping together with the Hearties training program. Yeah, again, so here, no? From the American Heart Association or stress test, which is our tradition hospital, machine use, in which I use the stationary bike. Kaya nga, no? Ang treadmill, dako kay space niya sa tambok sa kitsan ni niya ang kanang kuan pagid medyo bati you know again stationary bike is much better no and then a term is ergometers the medical term for the stationary bike mga social gamay no so here from the Cebu Doctors Hospital from Sacred Heart Hospital from Perpetual Support Chungwa Hospital and then Cebu Community Hospital and then Veles no and then this is all the hospitals here Cebu much more fun here in Cebu because we have our own hospital no pa promoting the hospital of Cebu may which no nga oy asa man ipalit na no di base kini sa America no again mo lagi no in London no the test procedure start to end there no procedure start to end and 2 to 3 minutes increase resistance tension or break no continues without stopping for 12 minutes ang ilang maximum time in the hospital no again this one no so money out of space no adto sa moon mag-exercise pa magali sila oh there oh mao na nagamit dito no exercise la and then here exercise dito no this is the male, no? Then here, a bata, no? From the Shuttle Children's Hospital, there, dun nagpa-bahay po din, no? Kumuli na, no? They base ang Arwin Ergometer, may which pa na kumuhuman, no? Again, for the tarpaulin na din, no? In which modified for the electronic millennium, or electronic generation, 8-in-1, no? 8-in-1, Arwin Ergometer, no? Kids-friendly, first, no? Casing, cartoon character, watching TV exercises the heart, use both hand and foot for the amputee pa jugan mo magamit no no need of balance no pain in the matas o lubot no sit like a king and queen prince and princess ana ka mo pinanggalan ni Arwin no safety no dog bites pollution o vehicle accident no portable if bored na gali ka adto ka sa mountain beach or park spare parts available, upgrade or update. Again, mula sa Arwin Ergometer, no? Again, manufactured by Hearties Pure Care, no? So, this is our showroom, there, no? Again, I would like to thanks, no? Sa YouTube, no? Again, so here's the YouTube, yeah? Again, wala ginang ako as about the trust and faith, no? Itagaan dollar sign, no? Here, and here. Every na kong video na may dollar sign. There? That's our income, no? That's the trust and faith, no? There. And then, sorry kayo, from to the freedom, no? Again, to Ernest Kwame Ado, no? Head partnership support. I hope I can find money to open a bank account, yeah? So, there's no money anymore, no? Again, without support, this is my income no in which nga i-close nila okay wala mo ko mo response kay wa mo ko ka-open og bangko no so there's the payment yeah. This is a check number no 7051 there take it close 7051 payment or my income no again your ticket have been closed kay why said a ticket gets closed no why said we do not get response of you after 24 hours there the ticket has been marked close for 24 hours feels that the ticket has been sold sufficiently no so to create your new ticket no again kung na ko ang bank account no ilang ipadaan no again please do not reply this ticket, no? Try to get agent to reply it, no? Hope resolve this inquiry and satisfaction. Kind regards. I am Ernest from the Participant Freedom, no? Again, from the Freedom, yeah. Thank you very much, yeah. Again, hopefully within this week, no, makuha na ko. Again, sa Google Freedom, Facebook, yeah. Thank you so much, no? So again, this is for the Arwin Ergometer, no? Muna ni siya itong ipakita, no? Sa Arwin Ergometer is modified everything, no? So muna ito para tarpaulin. Again, this one is for the tarpaulin, no? There. Again, thank you. So here's Christmas na sa showroom sa Arwin Ergometer, no? There, yeah. Swear, no? Again, sa una sa Durano Industries Incorporated, no? Sa Chunlan Distributor and the Electric Scooter, yeah. So kita may naghimo sa kanang mga design, no? In which nga og kanang Christmas, so here, no? Again, Christmas on the showroom of the Arwin Ergometer, Pinubri ra kita, no? There. No, this is the night of the Arwin Ergometer. So here's Arwin Ergometer, yeah. And there, no? So everything's there, yeah. Okay, good, no? So again, touch up lang Arwin Ergometer, no? This is, no? Again, this is my 50-kilometer run, no? 100 lagi, no? So there, then ang Arwin Ergometer, magawa sa Litas Market, TV lang, no? Widescreen there, no? Then there's all the medals, yeah? The lot of medals pa. So this is the showroom of Arwin Ergometer, which Christmas seating na, yeah? Again, thank you. And then there, no? Merry Christmas, yeah? Merry Christmas in advance, no? Pero, magto pa ding Arwin Ergometer sa lubong sa kong papa, no? In which nga, the case is solved already for me, no? Again, solved already for me. Just trust, no? Again, wa pa magiging inanis in the whole world. Based, again, sa Arwin Ergometer, modified into 1 hour continuous na. 12 minutes naman na sa hospital, maximum nila. 1 hour. But, matod pa sa babala, no? Matod pa sa MTRCB, for precaution, matod pa sa mga attorney, in which nga, kinanglan ka sa bahay, no? In which nga, 5 minutes, every 5 minutes is about water station. Again, thank you, and good day, no? Today is about 30, and here, I can see, you can hear, perfect for the medicine. Thank you.